In this video, I'll demonstrate a new method to have just one name on your Facebook account. If you've been wanting to streamline your profile, this tutorial is for you. Initially, we'll start with an account that has two names, but by the end of this guide, it will be reduced to just one. Be sure to subscribe and enable notifications for more helpful updates. To begin, head to your Play Store app and search for a VPN called BBVPN. This VPN has garnered a rating of 4.3 stars. Once you've found it, install the app. I'll include the link in the video description for your convenience. After installation, open the app. When prompted, cancel any initial pop-ups and select Switch VPN server location. Next, choose the Indonesia server. It's worth noting that the option to have a single name on Facebook is reportedly only available in certain countries, hence the need for this specific server selection. Within Indonesia, opt for Jakarta. After making your selection, dismiss any ads and initiate the VPN connection by clicking Start and confirming the connection request. Once the VPN is connected, open your Facebook app. Navigate to the top right corner of the homepage and click on the three-dash menu. Scroll down to Settings and Privacy and further to Settings within Settings. Locate See More under Account Center. From there, access Profiles and select your Facebook profile. Within your profile settings, locate the option to edit your name. Replace your current first name with your preferred choice and remove the last name entirely. Insert a space after the first name, then proceed to review the changes. Once satisfied, save the modifications. Return to your homepage, refresh the page, and click on your profile icon. Voila! You'll notice that your profile now displays only one name. If you encounter any difficulties, feel free to explore other tutorials. And of course, remember to subscribe and enable notifications to stay updated on future content.